For this issue of Outlook, we decided to dedicate the entire issue to women, and each and every page is in pink color. There's a reason why, because pink is the color of punk, protest, and power. And we decided to take the Women's Reservation Bill was passed finally after 27 years, and it means a lot for women. Whether it gets implemented now or later, it's still a historical thing, and it has a long history. So we decided to do this cover in pink, and we decided to use a red dot and red lipstick, the imprint of a lipstick. And then the cover is just basically that. There's a lot of symbolism that has gone behind making this cover. The red dot, obviously, a lot of people relate it with this religious thing about, a status of a married woman, or something that denotes their caste or like religion. But to me, I think the red dot was always this symbol of power, of something that stands out. And I think in my own family, widows were not supposed to wear it after their husbands passed away. But I think when my aunt was there, and she said that she can't wear it, and she was really fond of wearing bindis, and I've always seen her like that. I said you should wear it. And I think there's a colleague here whose wife is Muslim and she wears the bindi. I think we need to release the red dot that belongs to us women from these kinds of reductive interpretations. There's a lot of protest again going on about bindi. Pariniti Chopra decided to not wear it, things like that. And I think we are really reducing these things to something that is not actually. And as a woman, I have a right to decide when to wear it, what to do with it, how to wear it, and which color to wear it. Red is a color of power again, and I've grown up seeing my mother wear this red lipstick, and then later on I decided to read more about the red feminism and all of those things. And my mother used to always say that you will, when you grow up, you'll find your shade of red. I used to draw these images with red lipstick, and I think while designing this cover, we went back to that moment of what this red lipstick means to us. And a lot of feminists have talked about it, and why this whole thing of makeup. There's a lot of debate about why women should not be putting on makeup or should be putting on makeup, and all of these things, and why feminists should not be wearing it. I don't think that's a necessary debate. During the movement where women were demanding for the voting rights, women wore red lipstick because that's how they wanted to be seen, like to be noticed. And I think we owe it to that movement that we now have voting rights, and we also have this women's reservation thing that has happened, and which will also lead to more political participation by women. So we decided to use these two things about which there's a lot of debate, and we decided to take a stand and release both of these things from those kinds of reductive interpretations. And that's the cover. It's in pink. Again, pink is not a frivolous color. Pink is a color of, again, power, punk, and protest. And so that's the Outlook's issue for you.